Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Summer with 40 and Fabulous. I did order a couple new products I wanted to go over with you guys today. It is Friday night. Just got home from work. I'm tired. I look a little rough, look a little beat, but I still wanted to get this review in because I'm really excited about this product. I got this yesterday. I ordered from Amazon, and I'll put a link for you guys. I already opened this and tried it today, so I'm just going to show you the packaging it came in. It came in this really nice red mesh bag. This is really pretty. I think you could use it for delicates in the washer maybe, or you could use it for something else. Put a gift in it to regift. But it's a cool little bag. You could just use it to put your full lips in as a carrying case. But basically it's the full lips product that I ordered that came in this pretty little bag. So full lips. These are made in the United States. And I like that about them. They came in this packaging. There was 2 of them, 1 in each box, which I'm not going to put them back up in the boxes because I did use both of mine to try them out. So these are the boxes that they came in. You got 1 of each. I cannot remember, to be honest, and that's the only thing I am a little bit that I don't love is I don't know what size these are. I could look back, of course, on my Amazon and tell. But I want to say that it was the large in the, maybe the large in the round one and the medium in the oval. But either way, I like them both. They're made in the U.S. Love that about these. It's very hard to find stuff made in the U.S. And if I'm going to put something on my mouth and use it for this, I would love for it to be made in the U.S. It came with this nice little directions card packed inside. And I'm not going to go over this entire card with y'all, but it's pretty cool. It's got some different FAQs, techniques, things. It tells you to make sure your lips are hydrated. It tells you that if you use a liner and plumping gloss, that it may help prolong the results. And it tells you some different techniques and some tips on using them. They're a little difficult to use, and these are the products. I prefer this round one, but I did use this as well. I used this one mainly for just my upper lip because I'm pretty happy with my bottom lip typically, but I do need something for my upper lip some. But this one I used for my whole mouth, and this one I've used for my whole mouth, and then I also used it just for my upper lip to give it a little additional plumping. These say to do 30-second bursts or 30-second increments, you know, so basically I would do it for like 30 seconds, pull it off, check my lips, see if I liked it, do 30 more seconds. And I will tell you, these things work, guys. They work. They're really cute with the little lips on there, but they're a little difficult to get used to. It's they're very hard plastic. These are not like soft silicone plastic. They are absolutely hard. And basically when you suction them, it pulls your lips in and it brings all the blood to the surface and makes your lips swell. So you are supposed to have your lips very hydrated. They did send a little miniature toothbrush with it that came that was red. Oh, here it is. Looks like a little baby toothbrush, but that's just to brush your lips with if you've got dry skin or anything, and moisturize before you do it. I don't feel the need to do that right now, but I will keep that to use for sugar scrubs or something. It's pretty cool. One thing I will say about these products, you guys, I'm not encouraging anyone to run out and buy full lips. This is something you could use once in a while for pictures, or if you just wanted to know what you would look like with bigger lips. Maybe you're thinking about getting lip injections or something like that. Me personally, I don't want lip injections. I just want something for once in a while if I feel like plumping my lips a little. But I wouldn't recommend these simply to use as a daily thing. Simply because I feel like this suction on this skin right here around your lips, that's very delicate skin. I just feel like that could cause some damage and cause more wrinkles, that kind of thing. One of my friends did use this one. She tried it out and she only used it for 1 30-second round, and she did not even have it suction hard, and it bruised her lips. Her lips had a blue tinge to them. Now, these have not bruised my lips. They're fine for me. So I think it just depends on each user, and you just need to be careful with them. I think this is probably the best company and the best one out there just because it's made in the U.S. and the owner seems really great. She's already emailed me to make sure that if I have any questions, I contact her, etc. So I think that's really, really nice. Basically, what you do with these, and the tips on the instructions say that if you stick your tongue between your teeth a little and then put your lips on this and suction in, that helps with the suction, because it is a little hard to get this to suction. And you basically put your lips on the rim around here, and then you suck on this, and then when you do that, you let your lips just slide into the container. And when you do that, it will suction on, and then you keep it on for 30 seconds. And when you do that, you will see results. So we're going to do this. I'm probably actually going to try to do this for 30 seconds about 4 times, just because that's what I did to get results that I was kind of happy with. So we'll see after each one. You guys will be able to see it after I'm done with the full time that I'm going to leave it on. Then I will put on some lip gloss and we'll kind of see the difference. I did not bring lipstick up because I got a new plumping lip gloss that I wanted to try. So here we go. Let's do this. Okay. And then it does tell you, like, don't just rip it off your lips or whatever. I kind of popped it and broke the suction a little first. It will make a little bit of redness around your mouth. I do have a red mark here. I don't know what that is from, but it's not from this. So this is after 30 seconds. So I'm going to do it 30 more seconds because I know that's not going to be enough for me. And if you wet your lips, it will help too. Okay, so a little over 30. And then I'm going to try just this one. I can definitely tell as I go on using that my lips are a little bit puffy or swollen because they're a little bit harder to fit in there. So that's where we're at with that. I'm going to do the round one more time, guys. One more time. That time I went for 1 minute. I did want to go a little longer on that one and see how puffed up I can get my lips. So I'm going to put on a plumping lip gloss now, which is a little bit scary because I haven't done that with it. But I thought, hey, why not? Because it actually said in the instructions and the tips that might make it last a little longer. So let's just try it out. And this is the Pillow Plump XXL, which I just got in my Target beauty box, and I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this box here for you. Well, I'm going to be recording an unboxing of this box, and going through the items that I got in it. Now, I do not have, okay, I do not have my makeup boxes, my makeup up here. I keep them kind of in my glossy boxes and stuff, and I don't have them up here, so I'm not gonna like go over the touch up of makeup. But you know, you could obviously take powder or concealer or anything and fix these little red marks, but they'll honestly fade in a couple of minutes time. It's really not worth it. This is the first time I have used this Pillow Plump XXL, and it is in the color Pink Well, and I'm kind of excited to see if you guys can tell a difference. I can definitely tell a difference in person. I really can. And I can feel the difference in my lips as well. So let's give this Pillow Plump a minute to take effect. It's really not tingling yet. It takes it a few minutes to start tingling typically on that kind of stuff. So let's give it a minute, let it tingle. While we wait, I did get another item that I'll tell you guys about, and that is this Dermalogics. I don't know, it says FDA standards, etc., etc. And this is a derma roller, and this one is a 0.25 540 titanium roller. It is to help with fine lines and wrinkles. I've also seen people use it on their lips to increase collagen production in their lips. So basically, you roll this across, the needles irritate your skin, they increase collagen production. I've seen some really great reviews on these, so I'm excited to try them. I got these off of Amazon as well. I will insert the link below for you guys for those in case you're interested. I'll try to start using these and then do some update videos. Okay, the lips are starting to tingle just a little. Nothing extreme yet, and I'm kind of anxious to see how much this stuff actually will work. But I can definitely tell a difference with the plumper. Like I said, I think this could damage your skin, especially for those of us my age. You know, I'm 40. You don't want to damage your skin at 40. So this is definitely not something I would use every day, but I do love to have it just for times that I feel like taking some cute pictures or whatever. I'm plumping the lips up. Maybe you got a date. Who knows? But at any rate, you guys, these are only $19.99. So this was a really good deal, and especially considering they're made in the US, and I will put the link for those as well. I really think I'm going to like this company. And ooh, the tingling is starting, guys. The tingling is starting. Let me check this out. Oh goodness. I am gonna do some, I don't have a mirror. Here's that horrible. I'm using my iPhone. Wow. Well, I'm gonna you guys to look at my lips. Look at these eyelashes. This is crazy. I still haven't done my mascara review again because you guys, it's really irritating to my eyes, but I love my lash boost. I just do. I love it. I've seen a lot of people on reviews say, oh, the only people I ever see doing videos about lash boost sell it, blah, 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 blah. I don't sell it. My sister sells it, but I'm not even telling you to buy it from my sister. Hey, if you want to, that's great. You know, she's an RN. She doesn't need the money. She loves and believes in these products, but she's been using them herself for quite some time. But I'm not even telling you to buy it from her. If you need some help for your lashes, even if you don't trust me because my sister sells it, I'm not telling you to buy it from her. Buy it from any rep. But you have 60 days of money back guarantee with them, and this product works. It is Lash Boost, you guys, and my eyelashes are getting so long that they are literally leaving mascara marks in my brow, in my shadow on my brow bone. So that's crazy. That's just crazy. So I'm just saying, check it out. I don't care who you check it out with. Okay, guys, I think this is not really super tingly. I'm kind of disappointed. It says Pillow Plump XXL. And I'm a little disappointed this isn't tingling more. I really am a little disappointed this isn't tingling more, but what about my lips? Do they look plumper? I think they look awesome. I mean, honestly, guys, it's supposed to last a couple hours, but the more you use it, it's supposed to last longer. I still don't recommend using it a ton, but that's just me. So guys, I got my Target beauty box in, and I'm going to go over that in another video. Cannot wait. It's actually really cool. And I should be getting a couple more subscription boxes in any day now, so that we can do unboxings of those. And hopefully I will get to do a story time. But yeah, so I hope I can get to do a story time maybe this weekend. I do have an adoption event for the kitties that I rescued their mom out of a parking lot. So I'm going to take them to an adoption event. And yeah, got a lot going on. Got to make some stuff for a baby shower. So I won't have a whole lot of time, but I'm really hoping to be able to at least do a story time. I don't know if I'm going to do that on here or start a new channel for it, but I may do it on here. Ooh, the lips are starting to tingle now, guys. I'm going to give it a couple more minutes because it's really getting a little bit more intense. So I'm thinking that they may plump up a little more. It's only been a couple minutes. I'm vaping my Scottish Clouds. I love this stuff, guys. Also, when I do make, I'm going to make bath bombs later, and when I do make them, you guys, I'm going to video it because I do have another channel. It's called Witching Bubbles and Beauty. If you are interested in bath bombs, soaps, etc. Even if you're interested in ordering them, guys, check that out because I do sell them as well. But also, I just do the videos for other soap makers and bath bomb makers to watch because I enjoy watching them. But if that's something you're interested in, definitely go over and check that channel out when you're done with this one. And let me know in the comments below. You guys never talk to me. Let me know in the comments below if you think that I should do a separate channel for story times, or if you think I should keep that on this one, or what you think I should do about that. Okay, so yeah, you guys, this is going to be as good as it gets, I think. I'm going to come up close just to let you see my lips as well. And not up my nostrils. Sorry about that. And then you can see from here how they look as well. I can definitely tell. I can feel the difference too. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this review. Please let me know in the comments below if there's something specific you would like to see, or if you would like to see if something really works. I kind of like checking it out and letting you guys know if it really works. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. Hit that bell for notifications so that you can see when I have new content come out. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.